Hey guys, so this is my cardboard candy machine. Well, it's not really like candy, it's like just a vending machine. And it's a push button where you put a quarter and you press the button and then your prize come out in this open slot. So yeah. I'm just going to demonstrate 3 times. It costs a quarter. I have 3 quarters. It gives you this, like these little packet things I made out of cardboard, and it has something in it. They all have these in it extra. They all only have one inside. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with the demonstration. Okay, so I have my first quarter. You just insert it into the slot. And like I said, you don't even have to pay. Wait. But there we go. And then you just press this button. There's nothing there. Now watch. Now I got it. And now this is the only one I'm going to open. It has this gum inside. Because the other ones have the exact same thing. Let's do it again. This time I got 2, so I'm just going to pay, push. There's this one. So yeah, if you comment down below and say you want me to do a tutorial or the mechanisms, then I will. Bye, love ya.